guys. Take a look at that. That ain't no joke. I want you to give me your culinary
Chucho,
breakdown
what did you
about
do?
what you tasted. Does it taste good?
What did you do? Did you try to bite Randy?
Yeah.
Did you try and bite Randy?
Yeah, Randy's biting his nails. He's scared.
Chucho? Chucho, I'm talking to you. Did you try and bite Randy? Chucho? Did you try and bite Randy? Chucho? He's shivering. Chucho?
He's looking at Randy.
Did you try and bite Randy? Did you try and bite Randy, Chucho?
It's Rockstar delivered Rockstar.
You apologize to Randy, okay? Chucho, you apologize to Randy.
He's like, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
With what?
A smoking dessert, freaky, with a rock and roll finish.
Were we at a rave party?
You be good boy.
All your life, you've been trading up. You exchanged the third floor walk-up for the house you had
He's scared right now.
When I'm shaking, that's how I feel like when my teacher